for a low-cost trading platform, you've probably seen XTB popping up everywhere. But is it actually worth using, or is it just another broker with flashy marketing? Today, I'll break down the most important things you need to know so you can decide confidently. Let's start with the big headline feature, zero commission trading. XTB offers 0% commission on stocks and ETFs as long as you stay under 100,000 euros in monthly volume. Go above that and you'll pay a still reasonable 0.2% fee. For active traders, this pricing can be a huge money saver. Just keep in mind there's also a 0.5% currency conversion charge which can eat into profits if you trade across different markets frequently. Next, fees beyond trading. The good news, no custody fees up to 250,000 euros and deposits or withdrawals are generally free. But there is one thing you should remember. If you don't use your account for 12 months, XTB charges a £10 monthly inactivity fee. So, this platform rewards active users and punishes long breaks. Now, let's talk about what you can trade. XTB gives you access to over 6,000 European and US stocks and ETFs, plus Forex, commodities, indices, and even investment plan options. It's a surprisingly broad universe for both traditional investors and more advanced CFD traders. Speaking of tools, their flagship platform, Station 5, is one of the highlights. It's clean, fast, and packed with charting and research tools. Beginners might feel a bit overwhelmed at first, but once you get used to it, it's genuinely powerful. You also get a free demo account, helpful educational resources, 24/5 customer support, and even interest on idle cash, which is a nice bonus. But XTB isn't perfect. They do push CFD products heavily, which can be risky if you're not experienced. Some users report slower customer service responses during busy periods. And again, the 0.5% conversion fee can add up fast. Also, if you use fractional shares, your options for transferring assets out of XTB are pretty limited. So, who's XTB best for? In my opinion, it's a great fit for active stock and ETF investors, especially those who want powerful tools without high trading costs. But if you're a complete beginner or someone who trades across multiple currencies all the time, you may want to think twice. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more breakdowns just like this. And let me know in the comments, are you planning to try XTB? Happy using.